All right guys, what's going on? I'm really excited to say that I finally have my decals available on my website. So if you're interested in supporting the channel a little bit more, they're gonna be going for $5 on my website, with $1 of every decal being sold going to be donated to a trail organization. I'm not sure what organization yet. If you have one, drop one in the comments below, because I'm looking for one that's gonna be worth my time and money to be donating to. So I'll be doing that continuously with all decals and things like swag that I'm gonna be selling on my site. Now to the point of this video, I go to New Jersey Jeep Invasion every year. It's definitely my favorite event, you know, having 3 days on the beach with a bunch of Jeeps. I get to see all you guys. I get to meet a bunch of people who just have the same passion as I do. So it's really exciting every year. I get to bring the WK and show it off, and it's always different every year. So it's cool to see the people that you always get to see and the progression with their Jeeps and my Jeep. So 2 years ago, I made a video on the event, and I also made one for MFC Off-Road on the obstacle course by Roush Creek Off-Road. This year, I didn't really get that much footage, so I'm gonna be kind of mixing them into one video, into an edit. I know a lot of you were like upset with the intensity of the, you know, the off-road obstacles per se. All I can say is that it's not meant to be crazy. It's meant to be done by every kind of Jeep, because there's gonna be stock Jeeps there, there's gonna be lifted Jeeps there, and it's gotta be made out of sand, so you can't make rock crawling obstacles out of sand. So, you know, enjoy the video, take it as viewing the Jeep and not really pushing the Jeep's limitations. And I mean, stock JKs were getting high centered on this, not just once, but twice and 3 times. Just in the amount that I was there, I saw at least 3 JKs getting high centered on this, and I'm sure they had stock tires, and there's some great excuse you guys are gonna think of, but this is just an obstacle course for fun, for people to go to. It's just something to do. Get hot on the beach and walking around looking at everyone's Jeeps can get kind of repetitive. So yeah, just enjoy the video and like it if you liked it, and comment if you have something to say.